Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for little when you can spend little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Popeyes Homestyle mac and cheese. In a pot we're going to bring 2 quarts of water to boil. And remember to always salt your water. Now that the water's starting to boil, we're going to add 8 ounces of macaroni noodles. We're going to cover and let cook for 20 minutes or until the pasta is very tender. While the pasta is cooking, we're going to add 1/4 cup of unsalted butter to a pan over medium heat. Now that the butter's melted, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to whisk that flour and butter together. And we're going to cook the flour for 3 minutes. Now that the butter and flour has cooked for 3 minutes, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of heavy cream. And 1 1/4 cup of whole milk. And we're going to have 5 slices of American sliced cheese. Once that cheese is melted, we're going to add in 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Now that's all melted down, we're going to cut off the heat. And we're going to cover it. Now when our pasta's done, we're going to drain our pasta. Now that our pasta has been drained, we're going to add it to the cheese sauce. And we're going to mix it all together. We're going to take an 8x8 baking dish, put our macaroni in there. We're going to spread 1 cup of cheese over the top of the macaroni. We're going to set our broiler to high. And we're going to broil in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. And now that the cheese is nice and melted and golden brown, it's time to eat. And now it's time to eat. Bon appetit. That's a darn good macaroni. It's hard to mess up macaroni and cheese. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.